There are two ways to start a business in the United States and get a work visa to come run your business. The first way is something called an L1A visa. It's an intra-company transferee visa. You have a business in a country outside of the United States. You are more than 50% owner of that business, and you want to open up a subsidiary of that business or a new business in the United States of America. Could be completely different than your business in your particular country. The important thing is that you are also at least a 50% owner of the business in the United States. Now, both the business in your particular country, in this case Canada, but it could be anywhere, and the business in the United States has similar majority ownership, you. And now you say you want to transfer employees from your business outside of the U.S. to your business in the U.S. And which employee do you want to transfer? Yourself, as an executive or manager under the L1A visa program. And then you transfer yourself to the United States to run your business while keeping your business in your particular country still operating. Obviously, you have to make a substantial investment. You need a good business plan. It's a lot more complicated than I can explain in 1 minute, but that's the general idea. And the good news is that after 1 year on your L1A visa and you file an extension, you did what you said you were going to do, you can then self-petition yourself for your green card. The downside of the L1A visa is it's not valid forever, only 7 years in total. So after 7 years, you would have to either leave the United States or apply for your green card. There's something also called an E2 treaty trader visa. It's not available to every person in every country. It's only available to people who are citizens of countries that have a treaty trader status with the United States of America. But assuming you do have that treaty trader status, you would make a substantial investment in a business in the United States. You don't necessarily have to have a business in your particular country. You just have to show that you have some income other than what you intend to earn in the United States of America. And then you get a E2 treaty trader visa to be the executive in your company to run it and operate it, as long as you make a substantial investment in that particular company. Also much more complicated than I've explained. But the good news about an E2 visa is as long as your business is in business, you can keep renewing it forever.